Hardwood floors staining from cleaning solutions is a nightmare nobody wants to deal with, but it happens more than you think. So, like, when you notice your hardwood floors getting all blotchy or stained after cleaning, first stop using whatever harsh cleaner you grabbed. Instead, stick to a mild soap mixed with water or a cleaner made just for hardwood floors. Always test any cleaner in a small hidden spot before you go all in, so you don't get surprised by stains. Use a soft cloth or mop, nothing abrasive that can scratch the wood and make things worse. Don't soak the floor with water either. Excess moisture can seep in and cause damage or discoloration. After cleaning, dry the floor right away with a clean towel to keep water from lingering. If you already have stains, try gently rubbing them with a mix of baking soda and water or a commercial hardwood floor cleaner designed to remove stains. Keeping your floors sealed properly with a good finish is key, because it creates a barrier against spills and cleaning mishaps. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using ammonia-based or bleach cleaners that eat away at the wood finish, causing those ugly stains and dull spots. Fix this by sticking to pH-neutral hardwood cleaners and avoiding anything too harsh. Another common issue is leaving water puddles or scrubbing with too much force, which can warp or stain the wood. Instead, wipe spills fast and be gentle when cleaning. Lastly, skipping regular maintenance like resealing or refinishing your floors lets dirt and moisture penetrate deeper, making stains worse over time. So schedule routine care to keep your floors looking fresh. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle hardwood floor care and repairs without messing things up. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the job done right without the headache.